In this video it will be taught how to add keywords. So we're gonna add the keyboard on the right, and for doing that we should first go to keyboard and then press add keyboard. So in the box we should fill in the name of the keyboard, and then we can add the keys which are related to this keyboard by pressing add the blue button. For finding the keys that are needed, it's easiest to specify them in the code LaTeX box. The first key that we need is the lambda key. And the second one is the variable AJ key. And we have to specify that it's a variable key in order to find it. A key can be found in two ways. Take this key as an example, which is called area fins. And now it was found by specifying the related LaTeX code. But since keys have names as well, we could have found the same key by searching for area fins instead of AJ. We have to repeat this process of selecting keys until all the required keys are added. So at this point we have selected all the keys we wanted to, and it could be the case that you want certain keys to be next to each other. For this, the positions of the keys can be interchanged by selecting the two keys. To make sure that the keyboard is saved, we should press the green button. So now the keyboard is added and we can search for it by going to keywords list. So here we have the keyboard that we created, and if needed in a later stage, changes can be made here. This is basically how you add a keyboard. It's quite simple. I would like to thank you for your attention and see you next time.